The topic we are going to see is linear model by matrix method. Okay, see, we can solve linear model by many method. Okay, but this matrix method is somewhat easy. Okay, because we can solve this matrix method in calculator very easily. Okay, so it can be generalized to quadratic and exponential model. Okay, uh, first we see what is linear model. Okay, so linear model is y is equal to a plus bx plus error. Okay, so model means there will be error. Okay, so normally we will take y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so for calculation purpose we will take only y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so in this model the parameter is a and b. Okay, the parameter is unknown constant, so we want to find the parameter a and b based on the value x and y. Okay, so in this model we will solve by using matrix method. Okay, so to find the parameter we will be using the normal equation. Okay, based on the normal equation we will find the parameter. A number of parameter will be equal to the number of normal equation. Okay, see here in this model we are having two parameter a and b. Okay, so we will have two normal equation. Okay, how to find this normal equation? See, in step 1 we want to add summation we want to add summation in the model. Okay, so in the model the first step is we want to add summation. Okay, so the first equation is summation of y is equal to summation of a plus b into summation of x. Okay, so this is the first normal equation. Okay, so to find the first normal equation you want to add summation in the linear model. Okay, so the model is y is equal to a plus bx. So in the model we want to add the summation. Okay, the summation of y is equal to summation of a plus b into summation of x. Okay, on the second step we want to add summation of x. Okay, so in the model we want to add summation of x. Okay, the model is y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so in the model we want to add the summation of x. Okay, that is summation of xy is equal to summation of x into a plus b into summation of x squared. Okay, so in the equation, in the first equation a is a parameter. Okay, that is a is a constant. So summation of a means a plus a plus a plus a. Okay, so this will become n into a. Okay, so because a is a constant, so summation of a will become a plus a plus a, that is n into a. Okay, so the normal equation will become summation of x is equal to n a plus b into summation of x. Okay, first equation. Second equation will be summation of xy is equal to summation of x a plus b into summation of x squared. Okay, so these are two normal equation. Okay, see, in the model we are having two parameter, so we will have two normal equation. Okay, so we want to convert this normal equation into matrix form. Okay, so in the normal equation we know summation of x, summation of y, n, and summation of x and summation of x squared and summation of xy. Okay, but we don't know the a and b parameter. So to find this parameter we are converting the normal equation into a matrix form. Okay, so that is the left side became summation of y by summation of xy. Okay, so that is a matrix. Okay, on the right side will become n summation of x and summation of x into summation of x squared. Okay, So this one will be the B matrix. Okay. Next the parameter A and B. Okay. So this is the A matrix and B matrix and an alpha matrix. Okay. So in this 3 matrix, A matrix we know. Okay, we can find the value of A matrix by using the data, and similarly we can find the value of B matrix by using the data. Okay, so we want to find the alpha matrix based on A and B matrix. Okay, so this we can find. Okay, so this we can find by using B inverse into A. So if we solve B inverse into A, you will get the matrix alpha matrix, that is A and B. Okay.